Hello everybody, James here with Better Way Network. Now normally I'm the guy who edits these videos for Dan's. I do the motion graphics, the thumbnails, I manage the social media, all that stuff. I'm only 17 years old and most of what I do is the visual, the front end of the company and producing and editing these videos. But this time even I closed a loan deal, all thanks to the training Dan has provided in our training programs that you can get in the description below at betterwayinvestments.com. I'm just a guy who edits videos and makes these ads. But Dan sends me a piece of paper, has the lead, has the address, the loan amount he wants because he's built up this big loan network. He already has cash buyers. He already has email lists full of people who want financing on properties. So he gave me what I need. He gave me a small list of questions to ask. I call them, I ask, I bring it over to Dan, who closes the full deal. He makes his 12 grand loan fee. I make a couple grand on a commission. It was way too easy, honestly. He wanted around 200 grand in financing. He had so much liquid cash. He had 5 other properties to put up there as collateral. He had great credit. He had everything in the book except prior deal experience. So it was an easy deal to close. And believe me, guys, if I at 17 years old and make a couple grand with little to no effort, then so can you. So guys, check out the link in the description below, betterwayinvestments.com. Get our free guide, how to make $500 an hour minimum wholesaling loans. That's basically what I'm doing here. It's a super quick and easy, simple to understand guide on how to do that. So check that out, change your life, take action, and unlock financial freedom.
So what's happening?
So we got a loan for Jesus, and it was about a $250,000 loan for a purchase and rehab on a property. The property itself is really rough shape, not too good looking for a single property, but the area and the neighborhood was great potential, right in front of a park, high value apartment buildings across the street, so all around a high value area. So because that potential, good investment, it was pretty easy to work with. He had tons of liquid cash, owned 4 other properties, even though it was only his first deal. So he had lots of assets, great credit, great income. So he called in and very easy to work with, a lot of questions, but after about, total probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes of talking on the phone and then a few emails back and forth, we got it closed pretty quickly.
How fast was it?
Total was if we're talking about hours of just talking, it was maybe 2 hours total labor. It was probably about a week, a little less than a week. Yeah, 4 or 5 days from first talking to him to getting the loan approval and all that taken care of.